How to configure a wired network connection using Zebra Setup Utilities. This video will help you configure a wired network connection on a Zebra printer using Zebra Setup Utilities. In this video, a ZT230 printer is used as an example. The same steps apply to all Zebra desktop and industrial printers with internal or external wired print servers. You can download Zebra Setup Utilities and the drivers for your printer from zebra.com/printers. Download and install Zebra Setup Utilities. Install the printer via USB. Open Zebra Setup Utilities. Select the printer you want to configure. Click Configure Printer Connectivity. In the Connectivity Type screen, select Wired. Click Next. Select Internal Print Server or External Print Server. Click Next. In the IP address screen, select DHCP or static. Your network administrator will determine your method and provide the necessary information. Click Next. The commands to configure the printer are displayed on the final stream screen. Click Next. Select Printer. Click Finish. The commands to configure the wired print server are sent to the printer. Restart the printer, and it will be able to join the network.